This course will be 4 model. Model 1 we will talking media in the video sound in local or online, and we will talking what's the timeline, a title, transition, effects, text in your videos. Model 2 first project, make the first project for beginner. We apply everything we learn. Model 3 advanced mode for beginner. Keyframe, template, color grading, screen recording, change language and them. Model 4 AI feature, copilot, image, AI music, AI text to video, text-based editing, copyright, avatar present. How can you make the advanced project? The model 1, 2, it's for beginner, but the model 3, 4, it's not only for beginner.